And the next board on the bench is a Konami Hyper Olympic, which is also known as track and field, depending on which region you're in. The problem is that the sprites have lines through them. Okay, now this is a common problem on these boards, and it's now normally down to the motion object line buffers, which are located here. I believe that the previous owner, or someone who's worked on this, assumed it was these RAMs that were at fault and replaced those, but it's actually these ones here. Now I've actually been probing around and basically noticed that this RAM here has some issues, or at least I thought it was this RAM. I've just had a quick probe on this custom chip. Basically the outputs of these RAMs go to this custom chip here, and we'll see there's actually no outputs. There's nothing on most of the pins of this chip. A close look at the chip reveals that the legs are a bit corroded, and also this socket's a bit dodgy. Now, if I can apply enough pressure, there we go. So, fortunately this has only been a 10-minute diagnostic. I'm just going to whip that chip out, clean the legs up, might have to solder it into a turn pin socket if they're bad, and I'll put a new socket on the board, and hopefully that will resolve the problem. Okay, I've sanded the legs down on this chip and then polished them up, and I fitted a low profile, very tight fitting socket to it, so it's got a really good grip on the legs, and nice and reliable. Just bang on the chip to make sure there's no loose contact, and oh, the high score table needs resetting, but yeah, that's fixed now. That's that done. I've just quickly reset the high score table just to make sure there wasn't a fault, corrupt RAM or a battery problem, and that's reset fine.